In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in HoneyBook. Whether you're tidying up your address book or simply making space for more relevant contacts, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure you can manage your contacts efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to HoneyBook's homepage. Once you're there, you want to make sure you're logged into your account, so go ahead and do that if you haven't already. Once you're logged in and on the homepage, you'll see the main dashboard, which serves as your hub for all things HoneyBook. This is where you'll be conducting most of your actions, and today we're focusing on contacts. Now, let's direct our attention to the sidebar or menu options. Here, look for the contacts section. This is where HoneyBook keeps all the contact information you've accumulated over time, whether they're prospective clients, current clients, or collaborators. So go ahead and click on the contacts tab to access the list of your stored contacts. Upon clicking contacts, you'll be greeted by a list of all the people you've interacted with through HoneyBook. It's a good practice to review this list now and then to ensure it's up to date. Today, however, we're focusing on deleting. So find the contact or contacts you wish to remove, and just beside each contact's name, you will notice a small checkbox. Clicking this box selects the contact, indicating that you want to take action on this entry. Once you have selected the checkbox next to the contact you wish to delete, look around for a delete option. This will usually be situated near the top of your contact list, often lighting up once you've made a selection. Click on delete to proceed with removing the selected contact. After hitting the delete button, you'll be prompted with a confirmation message. HoneyBook takes a step further to ensure you're completely sure about your decision to delete a contact. This prompt will typically read something like delete one contact, giving you one last chance to reconsider the action for that singular, perhaps critical, piece of contact information. If you're certain about your decision, confidently click on this confirmation button, and that's it. You've successfully deleted a contact in HoneyBook. Remember, once a contact is deleted, it cannot be recovered, so make sure to only remove those contacts that are truly no longer needed. Taking time to regularly manage your contacts can help keep your database clean and maintain the functionality of your HoneyBook system. I hope this guide has made it easy for you to manage your contacts effectively. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or comment below. Thanks for watching.